So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. If you are new, I will say welcome, hello. And if you are returning, welcome back guys. Thank you so much for coming back. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have a new subscription. That's right, a new one. If you want to see what this is all about, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes guys, we have a new box. Now, before I jump into this, I do want to say, hi, I'm Stephanie. It's a beauty channel. It's a real life beauty channel though, where we do real life things. We don't always get it right, but we try our best. Practice makes better, because perfect is not a thing in my world. This may look all put together, but yeah, no, my life is a mess. It's not perfect. It's not even anywhere near perfect. What is perfect anyway? That is not something that I go by. Just saying. I do the best I can with what I have. If you like unboxings, you like try-ons, you like shopping hauls, you like mystery boxes, you like freebies, then I ask you to come and hit this button, because you could definitely be a part of this family and be part of something oh so wonderful. We have a new box. Now, I was sent this box for review. One of y'all sent me something, Yvette, I think it was, telling me about this box. Well, thank you, Yvette, because when I reached out to ask them about it, like, how do I sign up? You know, what is it about? And again, with the Freudian slip, show my viewers, and I don't like to say that, but you know, I talk into my microphone, guys, and it's like I'm talking to someone that's right there. And I don't proofread my stuff. I'm sure y'all seen all the typos when I reply to your comments. That's because I use my microphone. So I sit in my microphone and I talk to you. It's what I do. I have a conversation with you. It's how I, you know, get to know you guys. But anyway, I digress. I was doing that, and they said, we would love to send you a box for you to open on your channel. Would you want to collab with us in July? And I was like, sure, why not? And this was in June, like the beginning of June. So I was like, oh, I have a while, you know. Well, it came closer to June and I didn't get any notifications or anything. I just thought they forgot about it. So I let it go. And I thought, okay, well, you know, maybe I'll sign up for it when I have a little extra money or whatever. Well, I got a message just a couple of days ago actually saying, hey, we are so sorry. Please forgive us. Like, something happened on their end. They said, but we did ship the box and here's your tracking info. So I was like, all right, cool. Well, it showed up. So let's get into it, shall we? Now, guys, I have no idea what's in this box. It says the Pink Sugar Box, the best lifestyle and self-care delivered monthly. 5 premium items delivered monthly for just $15. Our quality, trendy picks for each season include products such as lifestyle items, fun fashion accessories, footwear, and beauty products. It says choose your plan, monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. So they do have an option to pay bi-monthly. That's cool. Complete your survey. Okay, so that would lead me to believe there is customization, not sure. And get ready for the best in lifestyle, beauty, self-care, and more, all hand-picked for the season. Okay, so I'm assuming if you're in summer, you'll get summer items, and when fall comes, you'll get fall items, and so on and so forth. Get excited for all the goodies coming your way, because we are the reason someone smiles today. That's kind of cute. It says, while you're smiling, be sure to share your box with all your friends, and make sure to sign up for our affiliate program. We pay you for successfully sharing your box. Like, I share it with you and you like it and you get it. I didn't know they had an affiliate program. I really didn't get that far down before I reached out to ask. Only $6.50 for shipping. Okay, it's $15 plus shipping. At least 5 products in every box, meaning you could get more. Share it with a friend and get 5 off your initial box, $5. So I'm guessing, like, if I tell you about the box, being that I'm sharing with you and I have not yet bought the box, they sent this for review, and some of you like it, there's a little pop-up right here that says, I don't know if you guys can see it. It says, get $5 off your initial subscription. So it does come just like this. The label is on the here, okay? And then it does come in this wrapper. Oh, that's very cute. Pink Sugar, the reason someone smiles today. Okay, so I get that. Now, it is in one of these style boxes, okay? Okay, this is what I saw, and this is why I got interested. I remember this now. Instead of $15 for one box, spend an extra $5 and send a matching box to a woman or girl at the Lotus House shelter in Miami. If you are financially able, or you are in that position to do so, you can send somebody a box, you know, and make somebody's day, I guess, which I think is a really good thing, especially in this world we have right now, you know. Share your personal link, and when someone orders with your link, you'll get paid weekly. Okay, so there are like some items that you might be able to get, all right? I don't see prices, but okay. So we do have this. We have some wrapping paper. Let's go ahead. We take that off. Oh, okay. So there's a sneak peek. I do not know what's in here. We will look together. Alrighty. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, guys. I kid you not. I was about to purchase these off Amazon. Now, I don't believe they're super, super expensive, but I really wanted to try these because, you know, I have hooded eyes, right? I saw some advertisement on YouTube about the strips that like give you more lid space, and I was like, do they really work? So I was gonna get them on the channel and try them and see, you know, in a video. I actually forgot about it with my ADD. It was a good idea at 1 minute, and then I didn't write it down because I have to write everything down. And I didn't, and I totally forgot about it, but this just reminded me of it. So here we have them. We have these strips right here. I was like, well, let me try the ones on Amazon first because I don't know what I'm doing. This is the Eyelid Perfector. Okay, so there's a picture of what it's supposed to do. These are little stickers. You put them right in where your crease is, and it widens your crease. It gives you more lid space. I have seen people use these, and it does kind of work. So you can put shadow over them and everything. It says double-sided eyelid tape. That's exactly what it is, eyelid tape. Wow. I wanted to try these, so I'm very happy that they're in there. Just, you know, to do like maybe a fun video, and if they work, hey, why not, right? Okay, we do have little squigglies in here. I just wanted to show you. They're on the bottom there. So we have a lippy here. This is from Measurable Difference, and it's a matte longwear pencil. And there's the shade right there. I like that shade. That's kind of like my lips, but better. Yeah. So let's open it up and see if it's creamy. I'm going to test out everything in this box. Can I open this? Please, man.
2 hours later.
Okay, so here's the shade right here. Okay. Now let me swatch it. Oh, well, it's very creamy. It really is. It doesn't skip or anything. That's a pretty color. It's not that bright, guys. Wow. It looks really bright, right? No, it's not. I promise you it's not that bright. It is definitely like that color. I don't know why that's happening. This lighting is stinky, boy. Let me tell you, it's not that bright. But it would look that bright if I put it on, but I'm not going to put it on because it doesn't go with my look. But okay, it is definitely like that, guys. Okay, so there you have that. All right, so that's cool. And then what do we have here? Let's see. This is, oh, no way. No way. What? Okay, Buildable Blur CC Cream from Thrive Cosmetics. All right, they've got my attention for sure now because I like Thrive, and Thrive is a pricey brand, guys. Not kidding. Broad Spectrum SPF. This is Blur Effect CC Cream. It's CC Cream. Okay, so let's see this thing. What is this? Oh, it has no pump, guy. Okay, is there shade? Is there shade? Buildable Blur, Broad Spectrum Thrive. Let me put it over here. Let me see what this is. Is it a lotion? What is it? Okay, well, that's definitely not my shade. I didn't touch it either. I just squirted in it. It kind of popped out. I guess that's why you take the survey to get the shade. But I didn't take a survey. But guys, it's from Thrive. Deep Cocoa. That is the shade. Well, we don't even have to rub that in. But I want to see what this formula is like because I almost bought this. It's a CC cream. It's like the Your Skin But Better. Okay, well, there it is, and that's definitely not a match. I'm assuming that you take the survey. That's why. So that means customization. So I'm guessing if I took the survey, I would not get this color. But Thrive, okay, this is impressive. Because, again, take the survey, get the right thing. I will try and put a pinned comment. After I speak to them, they do want my video link. They asked me if I would, you know, tag them when I do my video so they could see it. And I said, absolutely. I guess they want to hear what I think of the box, you know. Again, I think this right here pays for the box because I do know this is expensive. Just saying, you take the survey, it should be a match to your skin tone, okay? I would think. All right, so this, well, this is kind of cute. Oh, it's a little card holder for the back of your phone. That is kind of cute. I like this. Okay, I know it's not anything really like substantial, but I think it's very cute. And it is very bling bling. It's very sparkly. It's like, all right, so that is cute. Now, we do have Hand in Hand Sustainable Suds of Body Lotion, Sea Salt, Sweet Mint, and Eucalyptus. Okay, that sounds really good. It does come with a safety seal, and this is a 2 ounce, which is very nice for your purse. Okay, here we have it. All right, there you go, Hand in Hand. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so there you have it. This is just a little screw on top, and again, it's 2 ounces. Pop it in your purse and go. Again, I don't know how much this is worth. Oh. It's a very light scent, and it's like, okay, what is this? Oh, it's a body lotion, not a hand lotion. Palm oil free, vegan and cruelty free. For every product purchased, Hand in Hand donates 1 bar of soap and 1 month of clean water to a child in need. So they have really good brands in the box that are helping people. I like that. I do like that. So this is a lotion. Let's try and rub it in on the top of my hands, because I just tried to rub in my hands and that. I was wondering why it was so thin. I was like, oh, did I get a batch? No. It is a lotion that goes here. So, and it smells, it does. It has like a minty, not very strong at all. It's very light, which is, you know, you don't really want something eucalyptusy to be super strong because that would be overbearing. But no, it smells really good. I do like that. Yeah, I could definitely get into it. Okay, so my hand is not sticky and it's moisturized. So there you have it. Okay, so it's lotion. Then we have this. This is Westmore Beauty. I don't know. I've never heard of that brand. Lasting Effects Body Coverage Perfector Light. Shake well prior to each use. Okay, so let's shake it up first. Okay, this says, for best results, start with dry, exfoliated, oil-free skin, and do not use any products containing oil within 24 hours of application. Step 2, massage generously onto skin in an upward and outward motion for even coverage. Reapply in layers for additional coverage. Step 3, buff and dry. Let product dry for 5 to 10 minutes, then remove excess by patting the coverage area with a washcloth, mitt, or paper towel until the product no longer comes off. Okay, so I'm assuming this is some type of like tanning thing. Oh, we're gonna check it out. So this is in the shade light. So that's me for sure. Oh no, is this gonna stain me? I never tanned in my life. I do not know how to do this. This is a big mistake. Okay. Anything for you guys. Okay. So we're just going to put a little here. Yeah, it's going to look a little weird, but that's okay. I'm thinking it's like a lotion. It's not. It's more like thin, you know? I don't know anything about self-tanning, guys. Not at all. Let's put it. Oh, it's 1 drop. Okay, okay. Okay, so summer, right? So that's very unnoticeable. It's not, but it is. Okay. So if I wanted more, I don't want to put more on it. But if I wanted more, I could. I don't feel it at all. I don't feel like anything's there. What do I need to pat away? It's dry already. Maybe because I only put a little bit. Well, maybe because it's light. And I am light skinned, so that, you know, that is my shade light. This just must have been luck of the draw. I lucked out. But there must be some type of profile. I tried to get into the website just now and I couldn't. You have to be a member. So there you have it. It's a tanning cream. I don't know how much this is, but I'm sure it's going to be a little bit. I see why there's a tanner there because it's summer. All right, so then we have these. Now, okay. It says made in China, so I'm assuming it's not terribly expensive, but it is kind of cool just the same. Puka beads. I'm sorry, but I like puka beads. Now, the thing about puka beads is you're supposed to put them on, and I mean, from what I remember anyway, and never take them off. So I'm thinking this is not a bracelet because look how big it is. I'm thinking it's more of an anklet, okay? I'm sorry, but I think this is nice. I'm not just saying that. I like this. I like puka beads. I really do. I mean, I used to wear them, okay? Like, not kidding. So this is kind of reminiscent of maybe like when I was 20s maybe, I think. I think there's something that goes with pukas. If I can look it up, I do know there's like a thing with this. It looks like it's very well made. It's knotted in between. I mean, listen, I know a little bit about puka beads, so I know that's funny, right? The one thing I do know about puka beads. So that is the box. So let's recap, all right? Now, we do pay, I think it's $21 about, there's about something like that. Of course, you will get $5 off your first box. So hey guys, the random comment picker has spoken. This is the winner to the Christmas in July collab. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me. Congratulations. And hold on guys, because we have a bunch more winners to announce, as well as more giveaways yet to kick off. Now back to the video. So, okay, we have puka beads. Are they necessity? No. It's kind of like just an extra, like something for yourself or for someone else that you would never think to get, but you got it, all right? Then it's summertime. For people like me who do not like to tan and will not go out in the sun, if you're into self-tanning, you have something here. Guys, this is like, I can't even feel it. It's very smooth. My skin is super soft there, and it has a little bit of coverage. I forgot to remove the most important part. To remove, use any oil or oil-based cleanser. I have the Curel that it's like oil and it removes makeup. It would be wonderful for this in the shower. It would come out. So this is great for just going out and you want to look like you're tan. for a fancy night out, hey. And then we do have the body lotion, which is very nice. I put it here, but yeah, it's body lotion and it's rubbed in and it's super, my hand is super soft. So I mean, 2 ounces, not bad. This is what's got me baffled. Guys, if this came in my shade, I would be so happy right now, you have no idea. I'm glad this is in the box. That pays for the box right there. And then of course you take a survey, so it's gonna be tailored more to you, so okay. These are super fun, I'm sorry, I wanna do these. So this is another reason to do a video. We are gonna try these things and you guys get to watch me make a fool of myself. And then we have this little tiny thing. It's not something that has to be in the box, but it is something that's there. It's just a little something extra. So here we have it. So that's the box. Now, this right here, I'm thinking you have to have one high ticket item in the box to make it. You have to. This is worth everything you pay right here. I mean, a lot more. I have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure it's like 30 something dollars if I'm not mistaken. And then all the rest is just stuff that you get for getting the box. I mean, I don't know. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. I think it's going to be more tailored to you because it says take the survey. Why would they have a survey unless they're asking you questions about, you know, your likes and dislikes? No one gets the same box, so that's kind of cool, right? I mean, that's always good. And it looks like you're always going to get at least one high-ticket item in there. A brand we know, you know what I mean? Oh, and the lippy, I'm sorry. No, we do have the lippy, and I do like the lippy. I will use this. So out of all these things, if this was my shade, I would absolutely use that because I've been wanting to try that. Absolutely have. Too bad it's not in my shade, I wish. So the lippy, I'll definitely get used to. These I'm definitely going to try out on camera. And then this, my legs are terribly white. They're just horrible, horrible, horrible. I don't even like to wear shorts. This is way darker than my legs. I am two-toned totally. And then we have the body cream. Right when I get out of the shower, when I'm still wet, I would rub this in for sure. And then, of course, I like the puka beads. That's just me. Is it the best box I've seen? Probably not. But again, I think they're starting out. I don't think they've been around that long. I really don't. And you do get $5 off your box. There is something over there saying get your box for $10, and then it would be like, I think, shipping costs. I don't know. Comment down below. What do you think? If I can get a link and you're interested in getting this box, I will absolutely do that. You can pay bi-monthly. You can pay quarterly. I do like that. You know, it's not like every single month. It's different. It's definitely different. And here are some of the items that you could get too. I mean, I'm sure they're not going to show things that they don't give out. That would be false advertisements. So, I mean, just imagine you got those things. You know what I mean? Each box is different, tailored to the person. So that's not too bad. They just didn't tailor mine. I didn't sign up. This is free for review. Thank you to the Pink Sugar Box for sending this over so I could check it out. I do wish that Thrive was in my color because I would be putting it on my next video. I sure would. But again, I do think that the survey will help with that. I'm just assuming that's why they have a survey. Anyway, there you have it, the Pink Sugar Box. Tell me what you think in the comment section below, guys. As always, I always love reading your comments. Until the next one, I will say thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate it ever so much. Remember, if you are going through something, guys, please talk about it, share about it with a counselor, a loved one, a friend, a stranger, me. I'm always available. And if you are asked, feel like talking, please say yes, because you can help them with that small gesture. And in this crazy, mixed up world, please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see you.